Ty with WTI, and I'm excited to show you guys one of my wardrobe essentials. It's these Levi 721 high-rise skinny jeans. These have quickly become one of my favorite jeans. First and foremost, let's talk about the fit. I think that the high-rise design not only adds a touch of elegance, but also provides fantastic support and coverage. Whether you're petite or plus size, these jeans are very flattering. The fabric is soft and it has a good bit of stretch, allowing for easy movement and maintaining its shape. I usually can wear these all day without having that pinched, uncomfortable feeling. And I think these jeans are very versatile. I think one of the main things that sets these jeans apart is the quality. Levi's is a name synonymous with durability, and these jeans live up to that reputation, wash after wash, without losing its fit. So if you're in the market for a high-rise jean that offers the perfect combination of style, comfort, versatility, and durability, look no further. And that's my point of view.